Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Alex Builds. Today we have got issue 62 of Hachette Partworks Build the Terminator. So issue 62 is continuing on from yesterday where we started the knee joint. We're continuing with the knee joint today. Let me show you what we've got to do. So these are the parts we get here. As you can see, we get a kneecap in there, and I believe this is a bottom plate. But yeah, let's open the book and have a look. So always cross-reference your parts, make sure these are the parts that you get in there. And yeah, so this is a bottom plate ratchet part. We're going to attach the ratchet piece to it first. Then we're going to assemble the knee joint and attach that to the assembly that we made yesterday, this part here. And then once we've done that, we're going to then put the bottom plate from here onto the bottom of there, screw that down, and then we can start attaching it to the actual Terminator leg itself. Push this piston up. We're going to get the two side pieces that we've made, and they're going to go one either side of the kneecap, just like this. And then, yeah, we can tighten that down with an Allen key screw till we've got something that looks a little like that. And then coming up in issue 63, we're going to start work on the lower right leg. So even though we don't get a lot of parts in issue 62, we do have a fair few steps to do. We're sort of combining all the pieces that we were making over the last few issues and getting them all down in one issue. So yeah, let's get these parts open and start building. So just like last time, we're going to start off by making the ratchet joint part. So I have got some glue already out, so I'm just going to plop some all over these 4 points here, just like that. And then we can slide this down this shaft and locate that in the right place, just like that. So moving on to the actual kneecap itself, as you can see, it is plastic, but it does have a few bits of detail on there, so that's very nice. Yeah, so we're going to take this part, which is the back end, and we're going to get this, and we're going to put some glue in these holes just here. So I'm going to do that with both of them. Nice dab of glue in both of them, because you don't want your kneecap coming apart. Just like that, and then we can fold this into here, over the pins on the inside, pressing them together, and that's what you should have, the kneecap. So bringing in the part that we made last week, as you can see, we've got two holes on the actual bottom part here and a slot cut out the top. So that corresponds with these two peg pieces here and this little slot on here, so we can apply some glue to this as well. So I'm going to put some on both of these peg pieces, just like that, and then on the slot at the top as well. And then we can push this into our actual assembly. So let's get that located on, locating the top end first and pushing this down. Make sure you've got it right the way in, nice and flush, all the way up to this part here and here on both sides. And you should have something that looks a little like that. Okay, so now we're going to bring in the part that we started this video with, that we made, and this is going to go on the bottom here. We do have sort of like a cut out of the circle here, so it's flat, and that's going to go to the top, just like that, so it meets the kneecap here. Now we've got to put 3 screws in here. These are the smaller of the 2 screws. If you try to screw the larger one in, you won't have very much success, because that is an Allen key screw. So you want the actual one that's the cross-headed screw. So that's the first one in, and we can bring in 2 more screws. And the very last screw in the very last hole. Just like that. So we've got our Terminator in. This is the back of the leg, and as you can see here, we do have a hole that we can put it up. So this is going to go in there. Make sure you've got the kneecap actually to the front, and we can slide this into here like that, making sure this goes up this shaft of here. So in it goes, just like that. And now we can start fitting our actual ratchet pieces. So we've got 2 ratchet pieces just here. It's this one here that's got like a little eyedrop piece at the bottom, and this one here that's perfectly round. So the side that's here is round all the way, so we can push that one in. This is this one, and have that located in. does have a key slot on there to help you locate it in. And now we're going to take this part with the shaft, and this has got like the eye drop. So now that is that fully in there, and as you can see, our Terminator joint is going to move just like that. So now we need to seal this in, so we're going to need one of the longer screws and your Allen key that they supplied, and we can put this in just down this hole here and screw it together. Remember that these Allen key screws, the tighter you do them, it will lock these joints. So I am going to lock mine, but I'm just going to screw it in for now. And as you can see, we have full movability of this back joint with the piston at the back. So that's it, guys. That is issue 62 all complete. Join me again tomorrow when we look at issue 63. We're on a bit of a Terminator marathon at the minute, trying to catch back up because we did get a bit behind with the lockdown and everything, but we're on a catch back up now. So yeah, we're issue 63 tomorrow. We'll have issue 64 maybe the next day or the day after that. We might break it up with some Ecto or some DeLorean or something like that, or the Enterprise. We might release one of them in between just to break it up a little bit. But yeah, so make sure you join me for them videos. But if you like this video, guys, please leave a like down below, and if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Till next time, guys, take care. Bye bye.